Hello everyone, I am Dijonae Jaynae and welcome back to my
Educational
Channel. In this lesson, we will be learning about the voiced TH sound. When the TH is voiced, this means that you make a sound with the vocal cords. Here is the sound formation for the voiced TH sound. To make the voiced TH sound, place the tip of the tongue behind the front teeth. Force air quickly through the front teeth while vibrating the vocal cords. Here are some words that begin with the voiced TH sound. The, this, them, then, there, those. Here are some words with medial voiced TH sound. Weather, living, father, mother, clothing, leather, together, gather. Here are some words with ending voiced TH sound. Bath, smooth. Here are two instructional sentences. Sentence number 1. This brother gathered the feathers. Sentence number 2. They gathered together smooth feathers. We are at the end of this lesson. I hope you learned something. Please remember to like, share, leave your comments, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.